is Celine again from Miccell, and we'll introduce with you our cable factory. Here's our raw material. Let me show you some details. Let's go. Here's all our cable factory, and this is our inner copper. All inner copper will come in this machine to become one core. You can see here we have like many inner copper. Then we will make in one core. Yeah. So this is our inner cable. Then we will come here for one core, then to make like this one. So one cable we have like 4 and 5 inner cable inside, right? 5 core or 6 core, 5 core and 4 core, right? Then we will come in here to make a PVC to become one cable. Then our cable will come in here. Yeah, this is our cable for 0 to 1. This made by our factory. Then we will come in this machine to cut cable. So some of the customer they need 1 meter, 1.2 or 1.5 or 3 meter. We will come in this machine to cut our cable. Then we will come in this part for the inner. After that, we will come for the first instruction. Yeah, so this is our first instruction. After that, we will come here for the second instruction. Then we will come in our cable. Then we will come in this part for quality check and input output test. Okay. You can see okay, then this cable if it works for charging. Here's our test room. After the goods ready, we will come in this test room, the laboratory, to test our each product. This is our in and output test. We'll do in 20,000 times. You can see the times here. And now we're doing the lightning in and output test. And here's our low and high temperature test machine. And here's our electronic aluminum tester. Our source spray test. And here's our bending test. Bending test we will do in 5,000 times. We will set up here for the testing times now, and 90 degrees of the in that connector, and also with the weight. So after all tests, we'll come here for packing. Our all cable here for packing. So for this packing, it depends on customer requirements. So if you're interested in our cable and want to know more information, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.